Ayan po, happy to share to you my good experience and learning sa seminar na ito conducted by DTI Negosyo. So, free seminar po ito sa mga small business owners. So, nag-attend tayo nito, friends, dated May 29, 2024, 2 days ago. So, more or less 30 participants kami nito. And good thing po, marami tayong natutunan. Like yung smile technique, tapos yung heart technique in dealing with our customers or clients. And of course, yung 7 M's ng Filipino Brand of Service Excellence. 2 thumbs up, DTI Negosyo. Good po ito sa mga business owners like me. Then, salamat din sa certificate of participation na binigay ninyo. Apart from free lunch, 2 thumbs up, DTI Negosyo.